Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Welcome to Tiny's Garage YouTube channel. This will be my first video. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself, some of my current projects, some of my future plans. I'm in my shop in northern Michigan. It's 24 by 32 pole barn. Got a 16-foot addition back there. Some of the current projects I've got sitting in here right now, I'll flip around and show them to you in a minute. Some of my inspirations, something for doing this, vice grip garage, junkyard digs, whale and wire, Rat Rod Bob, Half-Ass Customs, DD Speed Shop. I watch those guys religiously. You know, it looks like a lot of fun. I need to get more motivated to do some things here, so hopefully this helps out. I'll get you spun around here and show you some of the things I got, and give you a little shop tour also. Yeah, the first one I got here is 1978 Pontiac Le Mans Safari wagon. Pretty much all bone stock. I put a aluminum intake on it, Edelbrock, with a 4-barrel carburetor. Did a little bit of Craigslist rebuilding on it, cleaned it up a little bit. Runs and drives fine. I drive it quite often. There's the shop cat. Currently I'm doing some interior work in it. I'm taking the seats out so that I can POR the floors, clean those up a little bit, put some new carpet in it. That's pretty much, you know, I put some different rims on it, some IROCs or Z28s, whatever they are. 305 bone stock. It's actually a Chevrolet engine in this Pontiac, which is what they did in this year. Runs really well. We'll get this out come summertime. Actually, I'm going to probably pull it out of here because I got a couple other things I want to do soon. Another project I'm currently working on is an 81 GMC Caballero, which is GMC's version of the El Camino if you're not familiar with it. This is no interior, no engine, no transmission. Not sure which direction I want to take this thing yet. We'll see in the upcoming months and weeks. Thinking I may want to lower it down a little bit, put some different suspension in it. Not sure on an engine tranny combo yet if I want to do an LS, which I've never done before, or if I want to stick to a standard small block or big block, go that route. My shop here, like I said, is not 100% complete yet. I haven't done any insulation or anything in it yet. It's actually quite full of things currently. Going to be doing things on this also. I've got, you know, quite a quantity of tools, less than some, more than some. I'll show you back here a couple other projects that we're doing. This is a 1954 Massey Ferguson TO30. This is what I plow with. I currently am going to be putting a front plow on here within the next couple of weeks or so. That'll be a couple videos probably. Woodworking tools and whatnot. Show you my tire changer here, 1900 I think, but it works well, so I use it quite often. What else we got here? I just built these tire chains to put on here not that long ago. Something I'll be doing on a couple other things actually coming up here soon, a quad and a gator that I have. Another motorcycle that I was working on with my brother-in-law that we'll get back to hopefully sometime this year. We had stripped it all down, bobbed it out. It's a V65 Magna. If you're familiar with those, you know they're pretty fast bikes. I've also got another project or two outside. I've got a 81 square body, pretty much just a cab sitting on a frame that I had Z'd and lowered down. Wasn't happy with the progression of it, so I'm going to change that up. I may just go back to a stock frame and just leave an open cab and wheel wells, and I got ideas. We'll see how it progresses, or I may just get rid of it. You know, I tend to buy and sell things quite often, just to keep inventory moving along, keep myself interested in things. So we'll see where it goes from there. Again, thanks for joining me. We will see where this thing goes to. Hopefully I can help some people along the way.